From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening. I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your Wednesday evening forecast. Let's jump right into the Pennsylvania Drought Monitor. You'll notice Center County is in a 1 out of 5 drought right now, and we can even see some pockets of 2 out of 5 on the drought scale in select parts of central and extreme western Pennsylvania, and that's being driven by the dry spell that we're in, which has lessened precipitation amounts for this time of year. Now let's pivot over to temperatures. What can you expect when you walk out the door tomorrow morning? Well, we're going to be sitting in the low 60s, 61 here around 9:30-ish in State College. If you look to the eastern portion of the state, a much different story. As high as 70 in Harrisburg at this time, 67 in Philadelphia. And if we look a little bit more west, we're going to see a way different story. The same as State College in Pittsburgh, 61 degrees out west in Pennsylvania. And as we move through the day into the early and mid-afternoons, we'll be in the mid to upper 70s here in State College. And same story being told out in western Pennsylvania, but the temperature difference between central and eastern Pennsylvania is astounding. 82 degrees around the same time during the day in Philadelphia. But as Thursday comes to an end and we begin to turn the page to Friday, we're going to be sitting in the low 60s, 63 here around 10:30-ish on Thursday night, 61 in Pittsburgh, and the temperature difference between central and eastern Pennsylvania drops off a cliff, and we're going to be just 64 in Philadelphia at this time. Here are some weather headlines for you. A very warm Friday and above average temperatures to end the week and continue our streak of above average temperatures. And that dry spell that I mentioned, a lack of moisture causing a dry spell and putting many parts of Pennsylvania into drought-like conditions. And when can we see the next chance of rain? We'll take a look at in just a moment. But first, I want to take a look at the 500 millibar heights map. This is going to tell us how close to average, above or below it we are going to be. And unfortunately or fortunately, if you're enjoying the above average warmth, the above average warmth is being driven by these lighter colors here, these warmer colors right now. We're going to be sitting around Sunday morning. We're still going to be in above average temperature territory, and we will be for the considerable future here. All those below average temperatures are going to be to our northeast and our northwest, but a very above average streak continuing. And a look at the forecast for tonight, 50 degrees, partly cloudy here in State College. And a look at tomorrow, we're going to be looking at temperatures approaching 80, 79 degrees is our forecasted high, but don't be surprised if that raises itself up past 80 degrees. And it's going to be nice and sunny to begin the end of the week. And here's your 7-day forecast: 79 degrees on Thursday, sunny, 80 degrees possible or higher on Friday, mostly sunny. And then starting on Saturday is when we can maybe see a few droplets of rain, 79 degrees, and then continuing into Sunday, partly cloudy. That will be the greatest chance for rain if we do see some rain here in State College. And then those cloudy conditions will continue into the start of next week. 76, partly cloudy on Monday, and then through Tuesday, 75. That's the coldest day here on our 7-day. And then into Wednesday, we'll return to mostly sunny, 79 degrees. Have a great rest of your evening.